Have you ever gotten lost in a maze of settings, like at work?
Oh, yeah.
It's a common problem. And,
Yeah.
businesses need a clear central point to manage, like, their software settings,
Right.
because if they don't, it's like chaos reigns.
Yeah. I mean, without a single source of truth, I think things just become really inefficient and error-prone.
It's true.
It can impact a company's bottom line.
Absolutely. We recently spoke with Noor, who is an associate software engineer at Tiana Solutions.
Okay.
And she has spent 5 years navigating the ERP landscape. And she has tackled this problem over 150 times.
Wow.
Can you imagine? 150 different companies all struggling with
Yeah.
scattered settings.
That's a wealth of experience.
Absolutely. She told us about one company called ABC Tech
Okay.
that was using Acumatica ERP, but the problem was
Okay.
important settings were scattered everywhere, and it was a nightmare for onboarding new employees.
Oh, wow.
It even caused reporting errors.
I could see that.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, because when the settings are inconsistent, you can't really guarantee accuracy or
Right.
enforce company-wide standards. And you can imagine the frustration when
Important.
things don't match or
Yeah.
you can't implement a new policy effectively.
Right. So how did Noor and the Tiana Solutions team, how did they solve this?
Okay, so they got to the root of the problem.
Okay.
They realized it wasn't enough to just house the settings somewhere.
Yeah.
They needed a system that ensured consistency.
Okay.
So they created a custom database table with
Right.
a unique company ID.
Okay.
That way, each company had one
Okay.
and only one set of configurations. It was like creating a master key for their system.
So no more conflicting settings.
Exactly.
I see how that would be a game changer, but
Yeah.
wouldn't that create a rigid system?
That's where the expertise comes in.
Okay.
They didn't just stop at the database.
Yeah.
They went the extra mile to make the system user-friendly. They created a clear interface, added helpful tooltips, and even removed unnecessary buttons to prevent accidental changes.
Wow, that's really smart. So they really found that sweet spot between control and user friendliness.
Exactly.
And it all came about because they listened to what ABC Tech actually needed.
Yeah, it wasn't
About
about...
fancy code.
Right.
It was about solving a real business problem
Right.
and empowering ABC Tech to operate more efficiently.
That's awesome. This really makes you think about the systems we use every day.
It does.
Could they be improved with a little bit of streamlining? Imagine how much easier things would be with just one reliable place to manage those all-important settings.
It's a question worth asking.
Yeah,
Are we working with our technology, or are we constantly fighting against it?
that's so true. If you are ready to optimize your systems, find that master key for your business, you should give Tiana Solutions a call.
Yeah.
They are the largest Acumatica Cloud ERP services partner.
And they have a whole team dedicated to helping businesses like yours. Their number is 678-910-2774. Don't let system chaos rule your workday. Get the help you need to take control.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you.